Nespresso Lattissima Touch Original Espresso Machine with Milk Frother by DeLonghi, washed black. The perfect creamy latte, one button and one capsule, that's all it takes to enjoy a barista-style latte in seconds. Only by DeLonghi. 6 one-touch recipes, simple one-touch button for coffee and milk lovers to prepare creamy latte, latte macchiato, cappuccino, warm milk, perfect espresso or coffee. Made in Italy, the Lattissima Touch's sleek Italian craftsmanship looks fantastic in any kitchen. Advanced Milk Frother by DeLonghi, an automatic frother creates rich, long-lasting, creamy foam. Practical design, sliding drip tray for different cup or glass sizes, removable milk container with rinsing function, illuminated buttons. Input power, W, 1400. 19-bar high-pressure pump ensures fast heat-up in less than 40 seconds for milk-based recipes. Easy insertion, automatic piercing and brewing of capsules. Included components, Lattissima Touch single-serve espresso machine. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.